Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you an easy Canva tutorial that turns any colored Canva element into a black and white coloring page outline using the new Vectorizer feature. This is perfect for all digital product creators or anyone making printable coloring books, busy books, or worksheets for kids. Let's jump right in. First, open Canva and start a new blank page. Go to Elements and search for any cute cartoon-style graphic you want to turn into a coloring page. Choose a simple, clean vector or clip art. These work best. Now click on the Apps tab and search for Vectorizer App. Take note that this app only supports JPEG, PNG, WebP file, which means not all Canva elements can be used on this app. Now, select your element and click black and white in the color mode of the app, then click Start Tracer. If your element looks more black like this, simply click Adjust Setting. Adjust the color threshold, then repeat the tracer. If you are happy with the result, just click Add to Design. You can create so many different printables with these coloring outlines, such as coloring pages, copy the color, color by number, classroom worksheets, birthday party placemats and activity pages, and full printable coloring books to sell on Etsy. And that's how easy it is to turn any Canva element into a coloring page using Vectorizer. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful and easy to follow, please support us by hitting like button. See you in my next video.